Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, or even cash through PayPal. And if you know anything about me, you know I know how to get those free gift cards. Oh my goodness. Do you believe the holiday shopping season is already here? If you're like me, you know buying gifts for everybody can get expensive.
I can guarantee you my wallet will be empty after checkout.
Santa's got it so easy. He has elves to make those gifts and send them out. But us, we don't have it so good. We have to figure out how we can take care of everyone that we adore, that we want to buy gifts for without breaking our pockets. Well, y'all know how I do. I've got something even better than Santa's elves. I've got Swagbucks, which happens to be the sponsor of today's video. If you're new here, you probably don't know yet. The OGs know. I'm not just talking about Swagbucks because they sponsored this video. This is an app that I've been using since like 2009, where I do simple things such as playing games, watching videos, scanning receipts, and earn points that can be turned into free gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, or even cash through PayPal. And if you know anything about me, you know I know how to get those free gift cards. If you are somebody that wants to put more money back into your pocket, then you need to watch this video all the way through, because I'm going to be dropping the gems of how you can keep more money in your pocket and even earn free gift cards for doing things that you already do.
I'm down.
But you know what you have to do. Hit that like button to let YouTube know that you love money-making content. And if you're new here, drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video of how you can earn cash while you shop during the holiday season and beyond. Oh yeah, free gift cards too. Let's go. Now here's the deal. You are going to shop anyway, whether it's for the holiday season or in your everyday life. I mean, for real, we all got to eat. We all need groceries. We all have to buy clothes. We all have to survive. Oh boy, we are surviving out here. Whether you're grabbing those groceries, picking up gifts, planning holiday parties, you can actually earn money that goes into your pocket. Or if you prefer, because I know a lot of y'all do, you can turn that into gift card rewards. Every holiday shopping season, on average, I get at least $100 back for doing my regular holiday shopping.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
What could you do with an extra $100 every holiday season? That can help you recover for some of the holiday shopping that you've done, because chances are you probably overspend it. Make sure you use these cashback options. Now, the good thing is we have choices in life. Whether you like to shop in store or online, you can still earn cash back. So I'm going to show you both ways that I earn cash for my shopping through Swagbucks. And the first way is through magic receipts. I literally get cash back for uploading receipts after I shop. I literally just did this for real. I lied to y'all not. And I'm going to use this as an example because I really did just do this. So I just went shopping at Target. After I went shopping, of course, you get a receipt. Always get the receipt. Receipts are worth money. You are going to learn that by the end of this video. So I'm going to tell you how I do this, okay? Like I already told you, if you listened, you already have the Swagbucks app, right? Or you're going to get it at the end of this video because that link is down below. Once you get the Swagbucks app, go into Magic Receipts. In there, you will see a bunch of items that you can get, that you can earn cash back for. I'm talking fruits and vegetables, healthcare products, personal care products, groceries that you are likely already buying. In there, mark off any items that you think that you will get from the supermarket. Then you're going to do your shopping. When you get your receipt from the store, get your Swagbucks app, open up that Magic Receipts, and scan your receipt. Easy peasy. Whatever items that they had listed under Magic Receipts that you purchased, you will earn that number of Swagbucks for that purchase. Like I said, these points can be turned into gift cards. I'm earning towards a gift card where I can shop at Target some more and scan more receipts and get more points. Are you picking up the gems that I'm dropping here? So the magic receipts are super easy to use. You just scan your receipt and get your points. There's another way that you can use Swagbucks to get cash back. If you're somebody like me and you prefer to shop online, you can earn cash back online, whether you're getting the items shipped to your house or if you're going to do in-store pickup. Either way, you can earn cash back through Swagbucks. I know a lot of you use your phones for almost everything, so you can actually go into the Swagbucks app and shop online. But if you shop on desktop like I do, then I highly suggest that you get the swag button. So let me show you how you do that. The swag button is a browser extension that you can just put into Google Chrome. Go to whatever site that you're planning on shopping on. If you go directly to those retailer websites, the swag button will let you know how many points per dollar spent you can earn back. So depending on the site that you're shopping on, you can get 3, 5, 10% of your money back for your regular shopping in Swagbucks. The swag button will not only let you know how much cash back you can earn for that particular purchase, but it will automatically let you know if there are discount codes that can be applied to your order. The swag button will save you so much time because you don't have to go searching on Google to find out, is there a coupon code for this? Is there a discount for this? Is there cash back for that? The swag button already has all of that information in there. Now I'm going to put you on to game. As somebody that really uses Swagbucks and earns cash back during the holidays, Swagbucks often increases the amount of cash back that you can earn for your purchase. So yeah, go ahead, put that extra sweater in the cart for yourself because you can actually earn higher cash back than you normally would during the holidays. Now, on top of Swagbucks, don't forget, y'all, if you really want to level up, consider doing mystery shopping during the holidays. Pretending to be a regular customer, voila, now you doubled up on the money, all right? So if you are interested in becoming a mystery shopper, I'm going to link my mystery shopping masterclass down below so that you can level up and really make bank during the holidays. But I hope today's video was helpful for you all. I hope you use these tactics and earn a lot of cash back during this holiday season and beyond. But I want to give a special shout out, show a bunch of extra love for Swagbucks for sponsoring this video. And so you guys know, Swagbucks has helped out my US viewers and they are offering a bonus if you sign up for Swagbucks using my link below. Put in the code NikkiSB and you can get some bonus points. So that's helping you earn your gift card or even your PayPal cash even faster. So you just got a bunch of free gems. But I want to hear from you. Do you prefer to shop online where you could use the swag button and earn cash back from your regular shopping on the internet? Or do you prefer to shop in the stores where you can scan your magic receipt, earn cash back? Also, what are you looking for this holiday season? I have no clue. I just know my daughter loves K-pop and she will take anything K-pop. So I'll be looking for the K-pop stuff. What would you be looking for? Let me know in the comments. Let's discuss it. But please do me a favor and let me and the algorithm know that you like this content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. So you know, Swagbucks has many more ways that you can earn for doing simple things like playing games. If you want to know how, check out this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Sleigh bells ringing.